Hey y'all, it's Nikki here at Dallas Dental, and today we're going to talk to you about how to floss. Proper flossing removes plaque and food debris out from in between the teeth and below the gum line. So not flossing can cause plaque to build up in between the teeth or on different surfaces of the teeth, and that turns into what we call calculus. But when you're flossing, it disrupts that process from happening. Also, plaque left sitting in between the teeth can cause cavities to form in between the teeth. So daily flossing is highly recommended. So here are some proper flossing techniques that I'm going to go over with you. So you need to be using about 18 inches of floss, and you want to wrap it around your ring finger, leaving about 1 to 2 inches of floss to work with. And then you want to hold the floss in between your thumbs and index fingers, and you want to slide it gently in between the contacts of your teeth. And then you want to gently curve the floss around the base of each tooth, making sure you go below the gum line. You never want to snap or force the floss in between your teeth because that can cause damage to your gum tissue, can cause cuts or bruises. And then you want to use clean sections of the floss as you move from tooth to tooth. You don't want to floss and then have something on the piece of floss and then deposit into the next tooth. So you must be doing this at least 1 time a day before you brush at night.